Ha?
Mm. Ayan, ayan, be. Ako na nga tayo hahawak.
Sige. Umuna eh, tsaka ako.
Ayan, anak.
Hindi pa lang nakikita. Ah.
My eggs.
Thank you, chicken. Thank you, Mommy Hen. Ayun, yun.
I can't see up.
This one, yan.
No, next can.
Ay, maliit pa.
Another egg.
Yun pa.
Where?
Over there.
Oh.
Ay, tayo nahulog. Ay, dito galing.
Eat.
Too
many eggs.
Sa taas hindi natin nakikita. Ay, sorry. Ah, dito babagsak.
Egg.
Hello.
Egg. Ay!
Dito,
Eggies.
mo.
More eggs.
Bitawan mo.
Another egg.
Ayan.
Eggies.
Ah,
This one's warm.
Naku, galing pamput yan. Kalalabas pa lang.
More eggs. Is there anyone?
Sige pa.
Oh, egg.
Thank you for the eggs. Ayan, be.
Okay, here. There's another one.
Here, Alexa.
Oh, hindi nakita.
Anak, are.
Another one.
Ito.
It's mine.
Ayan, nasa taas.
This one's warm.
Ay, oo nga. Ang init pa, tay.
We're almost gonna get one
Okay.
tray.
Ah, ikaw tayo. Kabila. Be careful. Are! Be! You miss one.
Egg.
Yung egg. Ayan.
Egg.
Ayan, yan.
Anything else?
Wala pang one tray.
Oh, egg. Egg.
Marami pa silang pagkain. Ay, iyon ang isa, oh.
Where?
Ayun, no. Tay.
Nasaan?
Are, ayun.
Hindi. Yun, ganito nakita ni Alexa kanina, hindi gumulong.
Hindi
Like
din
that.
os-os.
Tapos it grows here. Oh, egg.
Ay, may patay.
Kaya ganun sa ulo. Ano ba ito? Buhay? Ay, hindi. Buhay pa.
Buhay. Baka nangingitlog, tay.
Ha?
Nakaano siya, nakaganon eh.
Na kayo.
Sorry. Nakaganon kasi siya. Nangingitlog yan. Balikan niya, maya-maya.
Not too much eggs on this side.
Oo nga, no. Forward ka. Baka dito nakakuha kanina. Dito ba kayo kanina kumuha?
There was a lot of eggs here.
Ipatingnan na natin. Anak, ito oh. Over there.
I saw one egg.
Ito pa. Ah, okay
This
na.
one has two chicks inside.
Second harvest of egg.
Egg!
Ayun.
Where?
Ari ko. Ito pa, be.
Ay!
Thank you.
Warm.
Warm, oo nga. Oh, wait lang, anak.
Here's
Meron pa
another
three.
one. It's full!
Oh, wait lang. Be. Ito nakaupo. Pagka siguro ganun tayo, no? Ayan, may mga nakaupo talaga tayo.
Warm. Dada, where are you?
Lagay mo na dito na. Akin na.
We have many eggs.
Ano ito? Yun.
Daddy!
Ito ba? Okay na, bigay mo na sa akin. Maliliit pa yung mga eggs kasi ito lang yung mga unang itlog niya. Ilang days na to, Tay? May isang buwan na, Tay, mahigit. Wala pang 1 month. So, this is not the normal eggs na ano. Asan to?
27.
Yahoo! Thank you for the eggs. Ayan, akin na.
Daddy, I got some eggs.
Ito pa, you miss one.
Oh, another one. Wait lang. Here. Four.
Saan?
Here. Another egg.
Okay.
Daddy?
Check again. Ito?
I'm just gonna double check everything.
Ito.
Oh.
You miss it.
Okay, let's just... Mama, come on.
Nga may kami.
We'll check it. We'll double check. Daddy, look.
Ito palang side na to, bali 3 rows. Anak ko! Kaiitlog lang yan.
Wait
This one.
lang. I'm just...
Ito pa!
Wala pa ba?
Bebe, ito oh!
Harvest again?
Yeah!
Oh my God, this is... Mom, these are... Mom!
Oh my God, ito! Init! Bigay mo sa mama.
Daddy, here's this one.
Eh, di ba nakadaan na kasi tayo dito? Kalalabas lang yan. Double check. Hello? Lexa, come on! Come. Uy, put on your mask. Diba? Put on your mask. Alexa. Mask is for us. Pati dun sa mga manok. Mahirap na.
Please?
Have to be careful. 1 month pa lang. Wala pang 1 month to sa amin. So, hopefully mga in 2 weeks, in a week or 2, everyday na sila mangingit lang. Agent's gonna go again and check kung may mga nadagdag. Come on, you go ahead.
No, you're gonna say hi to me. Hello.
What are you doing na?
I'm looking or double checking for more eggs.
Okay, you go ahead. This is the second time na nag-harvest na sila this morning. Kanina, anong oras anak yan? Maybe 6:30 after sila magpakain. And then later,
It's gonna
they
be
have
eggs
feeding
again.
time again. Later at 1 o'clock.
That means more eggs.
Yeah. Yup, there's more eggs.
Nasaan yung isa dyan?
Yung ano tayo, naka-ano? Asan na ba yun? Nasaan na yung kaninang parang medyo akala ng tatay ay...
And the other chickens are just laying eggs.
Yeah, we don't know if something is wrong dun sa isa. Kung nangingitlog lang ba siya, o kaya siya nakaupo. Eh, how about...
But look at that one.
Yeah, kaya ang feeling ko, kaya sila nakaganon dahil Mangingitlog sila. Ano, baka nga tayo ano lang, nagpahinga lang siya. Ito pala yung ano niya, drinking ano nila. So it's like, meron silang water dispenser attached to it. Okay na ata siya, tay?
Wait, I think that one's almost gonna
Which
lay
one?
eggs.
Asan?
Down there.
Yan o, anak, nasa harap mo.
This one's warm, feel it.
Oo, mainit pa yung mga itlog. Obvious na kalalabas lang. This is a like a very delicate na mga alaga. Pero hopefully, ayan anak, ito pa. Hopefully, healthy naman. Wala naman maging sakit.
God, no.
Why?
No, there's a chick.
Asan ang chicken?
It's soft.
Ah,
That
pala.
means it's...
Hindi. Ay tayo, ano? Hindi pa matigas yung shell. Ito, oh. Yung malambot.
Ay, luno.
Yan, luno. Are. Ayan. I-hold. Pagka ganyan tayo, ano ang ano niyan? Ano, hindi pa... Siguro first, ano niya pa. Kaya yan, oh. Nagmark yung fingers.
So, you're not gonna leave it behind?
No. Hindi na siya mag-hatch. Ayan. I think we're finished for this time. Mamaya na lang siguro ulit.
More eggs!
Ayan. Ayan. Very fresh. Bigyan mo sa mamay. This is the farm life of Alexa. Kaya tuwan-tuwa siya, umuwing Batangas. Dahil dito,
Marami yung naiintindihan. Pag ganito, ito hindi mo
dahil
We always have to double check everything.
may pinag-aanuhan siya.
may lambot to.
Pinag-kakaabalahan. Okay. See ya. Bye-bye!